Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamko. If you haven't already subscribed please subscribe down below. Today we're just gonna go ahead and talk about how to turn a short dress into a long garment dress. So girls, I do know that you guys sometimes go to the store and get a dress and know that you guys cannot fit in, but you still get it because you just love it. So I did have this dress that I bought at H&M and I really liked it, but it was too short for me to wear it. But I still got it anyway. I mean, who be in that shoe? I mean, is it just me? I think most girls do it. But anyway, I got this dress, and then after a while there was an event that I had to attend, so I decided, oh, let me go buy a fabric from Joann and also turn it to this dress, a long dress. So I did that. I got the dress, turned it long, went out with it. Stay tuned, this is just a short clip that I put up together, how I turned my short dress into a long dress so I could feel comfortable to dance.